Have you heard about Melolo, an app where you can watch short dramas and collect coins that may be converted into cash rewards? In this video, I will show you how Melolo works, how to collect coins, how the daily reward works, and how the withdrawal section works. But before we start, remember that rewards, conversion rates, withdrawal limits, and available payment methods can change at any time. So don't treat this as a guaranteed income source. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Let's talk about Melolo. Melolo is a short drama entertainment app where users can watch short-form drama content. In the rewards section, there are also different activities that allow users to collect coins. These include watching content, daily check-ins, and potentially other reward activities available to your account. After opening Melolo, look at the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. You will see several sections including Shorts, Discover, Reward, My List, and Profile. For this tutorial, tap Reward. This is where you can see the different activities available for collecting rewards. The first section here is called Daily Watching Bonus. As you can see, the app displays different watching milestones. In this example, the milestones include 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 20 minutes. Each milestone has a corresponding number of coins. For example, you will get 720 coins for watching within 30 seconds, 1008 coins for 2 minutes, 1,152 coins for 5 minutes, 1,440 coins for 10 minutes, and additional 1,152 coins for 20 minutes of watching. Disclaimer: keep in mind that these numbers are based on what is displayed in my account at this time of recording. Your account may potentially show different rewards. To start watching, simply tap the yellow watch button. From there, follow the instructions shown inside the app and watch the available content. The important thing is to follow Melolo's own rules. Don't use bots, automation, multiple accounts, or any methods designed to manipulate the reward system. Another reward activity is the 30 days daily check-in. This section gives different amount of coins for different check-in days. At the top of the rewards page, you will also see your reward balance. In my account, I already earned 14.29 pesos and a current coin balance of 13,437 coins. The important word here is estimated. This means you shouldn't automatically assume that the displayed balance is already money sitting in your wallet. Please follow the app's withdrawal process. Now, let's look at the withdrawal section. 14.29 pesos is equivalent to 142,900 coins. However, take a time to consider this. The 10 pesos withdrawal option says that you need to sign in for 7 consecutive days in order to withdraw that specific amount. So even though the account has enough estimated balance, some withdrawal tiers may still require you to complete additional conditions. The available withdrawal options are Maya Wallet and GCash. If your account is eligible for withdrawal, follow the instructions provided directly inside the app. Before submitting any withdrawal request, double-check the payment account details and make sure you're using your own account. These are the few things you should understand. First, this is just an extra income or side hustle source. Second, the amount of rewards can change. Third, withdrawal requirements can change. And fourth, availability of rewards and payment methods may depend on your account, country, and the current program terms. And that's how the Melolo app works. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell for more app tutorials and extra income ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, everyone.